Bobby! This is that litter. See how baby bag?
Uh-huh.
Smells good.
Where'd you get it? Fresh stuff, ain't it?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it
I
at?
found it. Grandma's printer don't think it's tiny, does it? Bobby! I'm gonna get you. Come here.
No.
Bye, I'm leaving.
Remember that lady we got our cocktails from that she got a parrot Chinese food? No, she got a bird Chinese. Her bird was fat. Remember you could barely see his legs? Poor guy.
What are you doing?
He don't like that. He loves shredded apples.
Wow, it's just so sweet.
No. No. No.
Where'd Courtney go, Mom?
No, it's mine. No.
Watch. Easy. Easy. Watch. Let go. Look, baby, look. I'm gonna put it down hard. Look.
Did that hurt?
Here, look, look. Easy. Do it easy. It's so bad. I told you he's bad at home. Oh, we went to Webford yesterday. He was awful. Luckily, everybody else's booth was closed. The lady was like, "Oh, just let him run around. It don't matter." So I kept trying to go after him.
What are you doing?
He's fine. There's no
Uh-oh. I'm gonna stuff you in the stuff you in the refrigerator. You shh. I'm gonna stuff you in the refrigerator. You shh.
Welcome to a nice, tidy, clean house. I cleaned it.
Yeah.
I love that hot house.
Here he comes,
Where'd you
Jen.
get that big bag of Beneful? Did you buy it?
Yeah.
Did you? That stuff's good stuff.
Because I can't afford to go.
I'm gonna get you. Oh, really? You think you're slick. You think you're slick. Flip him upside down.
Mama, help! Mama!
Amanda being mean, do I have to come and beat her up?
Yeah.
You want me to beat her up?
Yeah.
Oh,
Now Amanda's gonna get you. You better hide.
Come on.
Stop slamming the door, brat.
Don't slam it. Oh, you're gonna hit. What is that?
Okay.
Pumpkin?
Okay to use.
Neither
What?
because they don't flush.
Do what?
The toilets flush, don't they? Nuh-uh, the water.
They got the water shut off for some reason.
Are you
Toilet
serious?
probably flushed out. You could try.
Nuh-uh, I just tried to flush it and I just